Apple TV is a digital media player developed by Apple that allows users to stream content from the internet to their television. It is a small device that connects to your TV and provides access to a wide range of entertainment options, including movies, TV shows, music, and games. To get started with Apple TV, you will need to connect the device to your television using an HDMI cable. Once connected, you will need to set up the device by selecting your language and country, and then connecting to your Wi-Fi network. The Apple TV home screen provides access to a variety of apps, including the iTunes Store, Netflix, Hulu, and Amazon Prime Video. You can browse through these apps to find and watch your favorite movies and TV shows. One of the key features of Apple TV is its integration with other Apple devices. For example, you can use AirPlay to stream content from your iPhone or iPad to your Apple TV. This allows you to easily share photos, videos, and music from your mobile device to your TV. In addition to streaming content, Apple TV also provides access to a range of games and other apps. You can download these apps from the App Store, and then play them on your TV using the Apple TV remote. To navigate the Apple TV interface, you can use the remote control that comes with the device. The remote includes a touchpad that allows you to swipe through menus and select options. You can also use Siri, the virtual assistant built into Apple TV, to search for content and control the device with voice commands. Overall, Apple TV provides a convenient and easy-to-use way to access a wide range of entertainment options on your TV. Its integration with other Apple devices and its support for a variety of apps make it a great option for anyone looking to enhance their TV viewing experience. By following these steps and exploring the features of Apple TV, you can get the most out of your device and enjoy a wide range of entertainment options in the comfort of your own home. With its user-friendly interface and seamless integration with other Apple devices, Apple TV is a great choice for anyone looking to upgrade their TV viewing experience.